Hop, assalomu alaykum. Aziz o'quvchilar, mana biz sizlar bilan present perfect and past perfect haqida. Yo'q, asosan present perfect haqida gaplashamiz. Present perfect simple'da demak, hozirgi tugallangan zamonni just endigina, yaqindagina, already allaqachon, yet hali ham, haligacha, hozirgacha degan ma'nodagi demak payt ravushlarini qanday ishlatilishi bilan gaplashamiz. Demak, birinchi o'rinda sizlarga quyidagi videoni havola etmoqchiman.
Present perfect with just, yet, and already.
I've just finished dinner.
Dad, I've already got the post.
Have you tidied your room yet?
No, I haven't done it yet. We use the present perfect with just, yet, and already to talk about recent news and events. We use just to talk about a very recent event. We use already to say something happened sooner than we expected. We use yet to talk about an event that has not happened, but we expect it to happen in the future. We use just in questions.
Has Jim just got home?
And positive sentences.
Yes, he's just got home 2 minutes ago.
We put just before the main verb. We use already in questions.
Have you finished your homework already?
And positive sentences.
Yes, I've done it already.
We put already at the end of the sentence or question, or before the main verb.
Have you already finished your homework?
Yes, I've already done it.
We only use yet in questions.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
And negative sentences.
No, we haven't eaten lunch yet.
Yet appears at the end of the sentence.
Demak, mana tanishib oldik. Endi demak, videoni dan tashqari yana o'sha batafsil boshqa misollarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Misol uchun, I've already visited 3 universities. Ya'ni men allaqachon 3 ta universitetga tashrif buyurganman. Okay, she's just won the match. U endigina, yaqindagina o'yinni yutib olgan, ya'ni o'yinda g'olib bo'lgan. Keyingisida I haven't made a decision yet. Men hali bir qarorga kelganim yo'q. keyingi gapda have you seen that film? Have you seen that new film yet? Haligacha yoki hozirgacha ana u yangi kinoni ko'rdingmi? Va javobida yes, I have. Ha. No, I haven't. Yo'q. Demak, biz present perfect ning darak shaklini bilan just yoki already ishlata olamiz. Misol uchun subject ega have has keyin just already undan keyin fe'lning uchinchi shaklini past participle. Demak, darak shakllar birinchi subject I yoki she, auxiliaryga have has, just already, keyin fe'lning uchinchi shakli past participle. Visited one va qolgan qo'shimcha yordamchi fe'llar, ya'ni yordamchi so'zlar, endi demoqchimanki to'ldiruvchilar. 3 universities, the match. Demak, biz odatda I've, you've, he's, she's degan qisqartma shakllaridan demak foydalanamiz qachonki suhbatlashganimizda va norasmiy xatlar yozganimizda. Shuningdek, biz demak present perfect ning inkor shaklini yet bilan ishlatamiz, ya'ni hali ham haligacha. Misol uchun subject ega haven't yoki hasn't, undan keyin past participle fe'lning uchinchi shakli va yet. Misol uchun I haven't made a decision yet. Men hali ham bir qarorga kelganim yo'q, yoki she hasn't finished it yet. U hali ham uni tugatgani yo'q. Misol uchun uyga vazifani. Biz present perfect bilan so'roq gaplar, yet bilan so'roq gaplarni tuza olamiz. Have has oldinga chiqadi, keyin subject, keyin fe'lning uchinchi shakli va yet. Va bunga biz yes, no deb savol turlari deb hisoblaydigan bo'lsak, misol uchun have you seen that film yet, ya'ni allaqachon yoki hozirgacha o'sha kinoni ko'rdingmi, yoki has he made a decision yet, u haligacha bir qarorga keldimi. Xo'p, biz qisqa javoblar beramiz bunga oid, so'roq gaplarga oid. Yes, subject have has, no, subject haven't, hasn't. Demak, biz to'g'ri fe'llarni past participle, past simple bilan, ya'ni ikkinchi shakli bilan bir xil bo'ladi. Ya'ni ed bilan tugaydi. Masalan, visited, uchinchi shakli visited, arrived. Noto'g'ri fe'llar esa demak uchinchi shakli, ya'ni past participle shakli turlicha bo'ladi. Ba'zan bir xil bo'ladi, ba'zan har xil. Misol uchun have, had, have birinchi shakl, had v2, had v3. Lose yo'qotmoq, lost yo'qotgan, lost yo'qotilgan, yo'qotgan. Do, did, done, eat, ate, eaten. Britaniya ingliz tilisida biz present perfect ni just, already bilan va yet bilan ishlatamiz qachonki biz yaqinda tugagan ish harakatlar, voqea hodisalar haqida gapirganimizda. Biz justni darak gaplarda ishlatamiz qachonki biz yaqinda, juda ham yaqinda, qisqa vaqt oldin tugagan ish harakatlar va holatlar uchun. Misol uchun she's just won the match. U yaqindagina o'yinda g'olib bo'ldi. Yoki they've just made a big announcement. Ular yaqindagina katta e'lon berishdi. Demak, yetni biz so'roq gaplarda va inkor gaplarda ishlatamiz qachonki biz hozirgacha yuz berib kelayotgan ish harakatlar va hodisalar, holatlar haqida gapirganimizda. Have you finished that book yet? Ya'ni hozirgacha yoki haligacha o'sha kitobni tugatdingmi? I haven't made a decision yet, ya'ni hali ham bir qarorga kelganim yo'q deyapti. Demak, already ni biz darak gaplarda ishlatamiz qachonki demak biz kutgandan ham oldinroq tugagan ish harakatlar uchun allaqachon. I've already visited 3 universities. Men allaqachon 3 ta universitetni tamomlaganman. Spring has already arrived in Madrid. Bahor allaqachon Madridda kelib bo'lgan. Ana rahmat e'tiborlaring uchun. Bu video sizlar uchun foydali bo'ladi degan umiddaman.